Hi guys, welcome back to the dollhouse. We have Wendy's. Now we have the hot Wendy's menu and we're going to check that out. We have a Sprite here and we have the hot nuggets, the hot spicy chicken sandwich, and we got some french fries, which I probably won't eat much of them, but it came with the meal, so I took it. So that's what we have, guys. So we already did McDonald's, we already did Burger King, and now we are doing Wendy's. Okay, so we're gonna check it out and see which one is better. Okay, so I hope everybody's having a great day today. Hello. Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back, guys. Make sure that you are, if you came back, that means that you're subscribed. Thank you so much. If you are not, press the subscribe button down in the bottom. Press the like button. Smash the like button. And share me out, guys. We're trying to get this journey up and running. And we'll take it from there. Okay, so let's see what we got. And I gotta say, the presentation of the chicken sandwich that they gave me, I did not like. Okay, while I was setting everything up, french fries taste good. They're nice and salty. First of all, the bread was a little smashed in. Look at the tomato that they gave me. And look at the piece of lettuce that they gave me. Like, are you serious? So we're going to check out Wendy's. I have my paper towels here. We're going to check out Wendy's and see how their spicy chicken sandwich is. Try these nuggets and see. They're a little dry. They're not so spicy. It just tastes like they took their... It tastes like they took their regular nuggets and just put a little bit of spice or something in it. But I asked if they had a dipping sauce of hot sauce or anything. And this is what she gave me. I wanted something like the barbecue sauce in a dipping sauce, and she gave me Cholula hot sauce. All right. We are going to try the hot sauce with the nugget to see if it's any good. But we're going to try this chicken sandwich, because this is what it's all about, okay? Let's try this chicken sandwich and see how good it is. Okay, I took that piece off. All right, let's see. I don't know what the white stuff is. I'm guessing that's mayo. I'm gonna try a second bite. It's okay. I'm gonna try one more bite. Get some ketchup here. I'm gonna try one more bite before I give my decision, because just gonna try it again. One more, and we'll see. But I hope everybody's having a good day. Thank you for coming back. And we got a lot of stuff going on in the channel. I taste the spice now. That I have to say. I do taste the spice of the sandwich right now. At first I didn't, but now I do. So that's a good thing. All right, let's try this chicken sandwich one more time. Let's see. Well, it tastes good. Don't get me wrong. It does taste good. Like if it was fresher, it would probably be better. It does taste good. But it's not my cup of tea. I wouldn't get it again. So I have to say, these are better than the mozzarella sticks in Burger King, though. Their mozzarella sticks, that was bad. I guess I'm going to have to try it in a different, maybe fresh. Get a few of them. This does not go with this. No, it does not. No. No, 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 no. Okay, so that's a no-no for that. Try some barbecue sauce. Yeah. I'm going to have to go with Burger King. Burger King was the best spicy sandwich. Yeah, I'm going to have to go with Burger King, guys. It was good. Burger King was very good. The sandwich was nice and big. The meat was juicy. The lettuce and tomatoes was fresh. It was nice, Yeah, the bread, everything. Let me try. I love barbecue sauce. So let me try. Let me try the barbecue sauce on the nuggets. See, that tastes good. The little bit of hot that it does have with the barbecue sauce, the tangy, that's good. Okay. I could do that. I like their fries because they're fresh fries. It is edible. Probably better if it's fresh. But Burger King won that spicy. Burger King is the winner, guys. Burger King did very good. They went all out. So there you have it. The winner of this spicy challenge was Burger King. It was Burger King. Yes. Their nuggets are okay, but they're dry. Look at them. They probably overcooked them. The thing has a timer. When it beeps, that means it's done. Get it out. You can't be doing something else. And the thing beeps and you're late. That's not good. All right, well, I think that is it for me. It was okay. It was okay. But I am done. Thank you so much, guys, for coming back. Please make sure that before you leave the channel, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and smash the share button. Share me out so we can get these numbers up.